If your supervisor keeps telling you your analysis is wrong, listen carefully. You are not the problem. Most times, the real issue is nobody taught you the foundation of data analysis properly. You can't run regressions confidently if you are still confused about variable types, model assumptions, or how to interpret coefficients. And that's okay. Nobody magically wakes up knowing these things. I have worked with many students who were frustrated, stressed, even embarrassed. But the moment we rebuilt their foundation step by step, everything started making sense. If you want clarity, confidence, and analysis you can defend anywhere, let me see in the comment section. Foundation, comment foundation. Let's fix it together. And if this video speaks to you, give me a follow, like, share, leave an amazing comment. This is Learn with Dr. Yemi. We learn it simple, we apply it correctly.